Do you know what the EDP is?
Absolutely. How can your principal not know what the EDP is? It's the engineering design process, and this is a process that we use K-12 in our STEM program, and it's a way for us to teach all of you how to problem solve. So we start with imagine, what are your ideas? Then you come up with your plan. Then you actually build a prototype or build your design. You test it out and see if it needs improving, and then we always share our results. And sometimes this is it, we start usually here, but it's important to know that you can start anywhere in this process.
How do you use the EDP?
You can use this, like I said, for anything. We use it primarily when we do our big 9-week projects. So it helps us think through how we solve those open-ended problems. But you can also use this in writing because you always start with your ideas, which is the imagine phase. If you're coming up with a science experiment, you can use it there too. So we like this because it helps us solve problems, and we can use it in all of our classes.
How will the EDP help us in the future?
Great question. We want to prepare you for success in whatever you do after high school. So this will help you with college if you go to college. It helps you manage your time and solve problems. It also helps you when you get a job in the workforce because employers have told us that they like kids who can think on their own, who can use those complex thinking skills and solve problems. Because in the real world, life doesn't come to you always with a set of instructions. So you have to be able to figure out how to do things on your own.
Do you know what the 5 steps of the EDP is?
Absolutely. The 5 steps we just talked about: imagine, plan, design, improve, and share.
Do you know how the teachers use the EDP?
The teachers use this, like I said, in all content areas, and they also model this with our students. So if there's a problem, maybe that comes up on the playground or in the classroom, or if a lesson doesn't go just right, we can always model this and talk as a class about how we can improve, what are the problems. So it's really useful in all settings.
That's all.
Okay, thank you.